Bunker EU 32. We have European Union having a unified policy for the training of officers from ratings all the way up. Yes, it's a joke. And we have European Union flags all having the same endorsements approved, for example, Panama, Venezuela. That's not a joke, yes. So, we also have European Union declared strategic to train ratings and officers, which is 4 million direct jobs, plus, yes, 2 at home, 2 on board, which 50% is officers, 50% is ratings, and then indirect, then is 40, it's normally times 10, yes, politicians direct is 1, indirect is 10, total 11, 44 million. Okay, you got that one. Dear politicians in Europe, that's a joke also, yes. There's not a unified policy for nothing in Europe, which is really interesting, because if you, dear ship owner, are having these ships trading European Union, European flag, you need European ratings, officers. There should be one European Union cabotage rule, 50% should be Europeans. Do we accept Ukrainians or not? That's 4. Okay, I'm going to stop it there. Therefore, it is really very complicated. It's a logarithm. It is really one of these AI solutions that you need, dear ship owner, to fill these European Union bunker ships. Many have gone to Panama or other flags. Many are just thinking what should be the flag. But the question is, should I really have a partner that if a ship trades in, say, Gibraltar Strait, we have Spanish from Algeciras, Almeria, Spanish southern officers, and then also we have a huge pool of Moroccan, and then Algeria. Why not? No one has explored that market for officers. But if we're talking about Greece, we do have Spanish and Latvian. Many crew want to sail local. Why Candina? Because we have 180,000 seafarers in our database, and we can really mix this. Many thinking about ASEAN crew, but did someone think about the Latinos? Why? Because if we are going to talk to the oil companies, Barcelona, Valencia, Tarragona, we need to have someone speaking Spanish or Canary Islands. So please apply in Candina, the ship owner, because we have the solution for the EU lack of comprehension from the politicians, and it's better they do nothing. Thank you very much, and contact Candina. Bye.